afternoon, hapon na, alas 12 na dito. Alas 12, ako lagi nakakapag-vlog kasi nag-aayos muna ako sa umaga. Nakapaglakad-lakad na kami ni Ali. Nakatulog siya. Binagyan ko siya ng meal, tapos nakatulog siya. Kaya, magla-login ulit ako sa portal. Ganito lagi yung ginagawa ko, guys. Pag nakakatulog si Ali, nagla-login ako sa portal ng school para malaman ko kung saan pupunta sa mga cheche-bureche sa portal. Tapos na nga ba, nag-orientation pala ako kahapon, guys. Kung napansin nyo, yun yung second orientation ng new student. Nakapag-webinar na din ako with the faculty members. Although, nakikita ko na yung schedule ko, guys. Hindi yung schedule, yung klase ko, pero hindi ko pa siya pwedeng i-click. Pag clinic ko na siya, kasi trinay kong i-click siya kaninang umaga nung bumangon ako, pero may lumabas na sabi, pag clinic ko na daw siya, kailangan ko daw tapusin yung class, tapos may tatanungin doon, tapos kailangan ko daw tapusin at sagutin yung tatanong pagkatapos ng klase. Kaya sabi ko, hindi ko muna i-click kasi may 3 araw pa ako bago mag-start ang klase, kaya ayaw ko pa siyang i-start. Pwede ko na siyang i-start ngayon, although pwede ko na siyang i-start ngayon kung gusto ko, pero ayaw ko pa. May 3 araw pa akong mag-enjoy. Kaya tignan ko muna to, guys, kung pakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung itsura ng klase. Oh, what happened? Oh, ang kulat. Ano nangyari? Where did it go? Huh? Nawala yung klase ko? Oh, ito. Dito pala. Okay. Dito, guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung paano yung itsura ng klase. Ito siya. Pwede pa yung brightness dito. Pasensya na kayo, guys, kung maingay yung electric fan. Ito yung klase ko. Ito yung first. Ano ba yung mga lumalabas? Ito yung una, Business Communication Skills for Healthcare Professionals. Ito yung unang subject ko. Tapos, ang dami kong classmate dito sa subject na to. Meron din kayo dito, kayo lagi sa content. Tapos, pwede nyo gamitin yung calendar dito kung gusto nyo para alam nyo yung mga due date ng assignment nyo, yung mga quizzes nyo, may announcement. Dito nag-a-announce yung hindi yung ba't hindi mag-focus? Dito nag-a-announce yung enrollment instructor yata. Discussions, may discussion kayo, course question. Kung may question kayo, discussion dito, may tanong kayo, dito kayo magtatanong sa para mga estudyante yata dito. Tapos dito naman yung faculty members, kasi monitor din nila yung kung catch up ka ba sa klase. Nagtatanong din sila kung ano yung nangyari, bakit hindi mo nasagot yung mga ganitong mga ganyan. Dito sila mag-grade. Dito mo makikita yung grade mo. Kasi meron dito may grade dito over 20. Dito kanila grade total of 1,000 points. Yan, dapat at least maka 20 points or 18 or 19 points tayo dito. Ito yung first week ko. 3 sila. Ito yung first week. Ito yung interactive video, effective communication, and cultural stereotypes and communications across cultures. due on Thursday. Okay? Kasi ito yung due ko guys for 1 week. This is my first subject, first week. May due date na kailangan kong tapusin to. This is my first week on the 8th August 15. August 15, that would be Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. Yeah, kasi yung klase ko guys, it start Tuesday and it will ends on Monday. Kaya yun yung klase ko. Kaya ito yung first na week. Tapos may second week. Bale, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Tapos sunod-sunod na yan guys. Super. Magiging busy na yung ating August. Hanggang for this whole, from the rest, magiging busy na yung ating for the rest of the year. Until next year. Hi guys! Gising na si Ali. Yan, kanina pa siya gising. Gumising sa nanood sa ng TV. Tapos naglagay ako ng isang load na labahin sa laundry. Gutom na siya. Kanina pa siya gutom. Kanina pa siya mama ng mama. Nag-steam ako ng kakainin niya yung nag-steam ako ng carrots. Kasi ako na gumagawa ng pagkain niya guys. Hindi na ako bumibili ng yung mga ready-made na ng mga pagkain ng baby. Kasi pag tinitignan mo yung sa likod, ang taas ng mga sodium. Yung ginagawa ko kay Ali, kumalik na siya. Yung ginagawa ko kay Ali is ini-steam ko lang siya. Tapos yung tubig na pinag-steaman ng gulay, yun yung ginagamit kong pantubig para ma-puree ng maayos yung gulay. Hindi pa ako naglalagay ng mga asin-asin sa kanya. Although 8 months na siya, pero hindi ko pa siya sinasanay sa mga may lasa, mga asin-asin. May nakikita akong mga 9 months old na kumakain na sila ng mga adobo na yung sabaw ng adobo. Maalat yun di ba? Soy sauce yun. You're gonna eat now, okay? You're hungry, baby. I know you're hungry. It's your num-num. Hi, it's num-num. We're gonna eat vegetable today, okay? It's not the gerber one, okay? It's a carrot, okay? Okay, baby? Is that okay? Is that okay? Num-num? Num-num. What now? You have to eat your food, not milk. No milk. Not milk. You have to eat this one. You have to eat your food. No milk. Okay, Nana. Okay, one more. One more bite. Come on. Say mama first. Say mama first then. Who's that one? Is that daddy? 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 Who's daddy? Say mama first. Say mama first. Say mama. Mama, say mama first. Okay, okay, okay. My goodness. Oh, my goodness. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, let's remove your teeth. Say mama first. Mama, what do you want? What do you want, baby? Say mama. Say mama first. Say mama first. Can you say mama? You have to show it to the guys that you're a big girl now. You can eat your food. Come on. Come on, baby. Eat your food. No. Ayun. Ayun. Ooh, you're a big girl. I'm not going to turn on ping pong. You have to eat your food first. Come on. Ayaw. Ayaw na. Baka kagaya ko si Ali na ayaw ng gulay. Ha? Say mama first. Can you say mama first? Say mama first. I'm not gonna make you that baby Gerber food. Huh? What do you want? Do you want the oatmeal? Okay, guys. You have to eat your food, baby. Not always that Gerber food. Ewan ko na nga lang siya ng oatmeal niya, guys. Magluluto ako, guys, ng bihon. Walang kamatayang bihon. Puro bihon yung mga pinapaluto ni Mister ngayon. Maglalagay lang ako ng onions, carrots, peppers, at saka ilalagay ko na din yung mushroom kasi malapit na din masira yung mushroom, guys. Yun lang yung ingredients na ilalagay ko. Very simple lang siya. Kaya magluto na tayo, guys. Walang kamatayang bihon to, guys.
detailed Joe Biden's role in selling the Biden brand. After months of outright ignoring the existence of the seventh grandchild, Navy Roberts, President Biden finally acknowledged her. But this only came after backlash from the press. Remember that New York Times article came shortly after that. And after reportedly getting the green light from Hunter to do so. But it seems the president wants to push the family drama aside and focus on his re-election campaign. And he's doing that now with an assist from Dark Brandon. Remember him? His campaign website is offering Dark Brandon t-shirts and face buttons as a way to raise campaign funds and gain traction with voters. We are replacing these outnumbered mugs with Dark Brandon mugs. They will have our names on them. I have already purchased mine. Emily Campagno, I got yours as well. We'll have theirs on the way. But real concerns in Biden
she's too young, unfortunately, to use them. She don't like. Get whatever she likes.
Voters are a proxy for enthusiasm. If people are concerned about the drop-off in contributions to the Biden campaign, then they just start paying attention or whistling past.
Ayan, tapos na kumain yung mag-ama. Ako naman ang kakain. Kasi mabilis ang kain lang to pag may school tayo. Mabilisan lang. Yung school pala guys, anytime gusto kong mag-login to, pwede siya. Kung gusto ko siyang mag-login ng madaling araw, pwede siya. Kung gusto ko siyang mag-login ng...
You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk in on my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets, no secrets. No secrets, no secrets. Wanna show you all my feelings. I'm not good at keeping no secrets. See